Here guys, we just want to make sure you guys know how to plot points on a grid. So we're going to start with our first one. If we want to plot the point -2, 3, understand that it's always x and y. So in this case, your x-coordinate is -2. This is your x-axis going horizontal like this. This is your y-axis. So to plot a point, you basically start by always identifying the x value, which is -2, and then the y value is 3, 1, 2. That's right there. So on your coordinate axis, your x values, your negative values go this way, your positive values go this way. On your y-axis, your negative values go down, your positive values go up. So if you want to plot the point -2, 3, locate the -2 on the x, locate the 3 on the y, and that's where that point would be. I'm going to call that A. Point B, if I want to plot that, it says my x value is 5, so I locate my x value of 5, which is right there. I don't put a point there yet. Then I notice that my y value is 0, so I don't go up or down. I do stay right there in this case, so that would be my point B. My point C, we have a x and a y value 2, -5, so my x value is 2. My y value is -5, so that would be right there. That's my point C, and my point D would be x value of 6. You don't have to keep writing the x, y in the bottom. You could I'm writing it to let you know in case you haven't done this in a while. The first coordinate is always the x coordinate. So the x coordinate is 6. You locate that on the x axis. It's right there. The y coordinate is 0. So you just stay right there on D. Now, another thing you might be asked in your software package is just to identify the quadrant that these points are in. So just for future reference, this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4 in a grid. So point A would be in quadrant 2, for example. Point C would be in quadrant 4. Point B and D would not be on either quadrant. They would actually be on the x-axis.